welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for inspiring garden art, decor, and craft ideas. Today we are diving into the magical world of miniature landscaping with these 12 DIY wood log planter ideas for enchanting fairy garden porch displays. Turn ordinary fallen logs into whimsical, moss-covered wonderlands that will completely transform your front entrance. If you love unique outdoor DIY projects, please make sure to comment, like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more creative inspiration. This design utilizes a natural white birch log hollowed out to form the perfect base for a rustic fairy home. Inside the cavity, lush green moss and tiny succulents create a vibrant backdrop for a miniature wooden door and pebble pathway. The contrast between the stark white bark and the deep greens brings an instant touch of woodland magic to your doorstep. It fits beautifully tucked against a corner, immediately drawing the eyes of any visiting guests. By stacking logs of varying heights and diameters, you can construct a multi-level fairy village right on your porch. Each log section serves as a distinct tier, complete with miniature wire fences, tiny benches, and micro-flowering plants like creeping thyme. The vertical layout maximizes space while offering multiple layers of intricate storytelling for onlookers to discover. It creates a stunning focal point that bridges the gap between your home and the surrounding nature. Transforming a long horizontal log into a fairy train adds a playful and kinetic energy to your porch display. Carve out multiple shallow troughs along the top of the log to act as individual planter cars filled with colorful fairy flowers and tiny resin passengers. String or small twigs can connect the sections, creating a cohesive and whimsical journey across your display area. This delightful setup is bound to spark conversations and bring smiles to everyone who enters your home. Selecting a log with thick, deeply textured bark allows you to lean into a rugged ancient woodland aesthetic. Nestle a small handmade twig ladder against the side of the log, leading up to a hidden fairy dwelling nestled among soft cushions of moss. Plant delicate ferns around the base to mimic a miniature forest canopy that frames the enchanted scene beautifully. This design brings a deeply authentic piece of the deep woods straight onto your porch. Incorporating a variety of colorful succulents into a weathered gray log creates a low-maintenance, yet visually striking fairy garden. Arrange rosettes of echeveria in trailing stone crop around tiny fairy figurines, sunbathing next to a faux resin ponding. The hardy nature of succulents ensures your porch display stays vibrant and beautiful throughout the warm seasons with minimal watering. It is the perfect blend of modern plant styling and classic fairy tale charm. Weave delicate battery-operated micro-fairy lights throughout a hollowed log to create an enchanting evening glow on your porch. The soft illumination highlights the intricate textures of the wood bark and reflects beautifully off tiny glass stone rivers running through the display. Plant shade-loving miniature hostas and violas to keep the arrangement looking fresh, lush, and full of life. This magical setup turns your front porch into a welcoming, glowing beacon after the sun goes down. Give your fairy garden a coastal twist by using a beautifully bleached piece of driftwood or ocean-washed log. Populate the crevices with air plants, sea thrift, and tiny seashells surrounding a miniature beach-themed fairy cottage. The unique curves and smooth textures of the driftwood provide an artistic, sculptural quality that stands out on any porch. It offers an unexpected, refreshing escape from traditional forest themes while maintaining that essential magical aura. Stand a thick, sturdy log upright and carve simple steps or windows into its face to mimic an ancient stone tower. Crown the top with a dense planting of flowering ground covers like sedum, making it look like a living green roof for your fairy royalty. Add a tiny metal flag or a miniature drawbridge at the base to enhance the medieval fantasy theme. This vertical masterpiece commands attention and serves as an impressive guardian for your front door. Combine functionality and fantasy by planting aromatic herbs like dwarf rosemary, thyme, and oregano into a wide log planter. Intersperse tiny fairy garden pickets, a miniature watering can, and small pebble paths between the fragrant green patches. This creates a multi-sensory experience on your porch, offering delightful scents every time you walk past your enchanted display. It proves that fairy gardens can be both incredibly whimsical and wonderfully practical additions to your home entrance. Hollow out pockets along the sides of an upright log to create a living wall effect for your miniature fairy residence. Each pocket can house a different element, from a tiny fairy bedroom balcony to pockets overflowing with trailing lobelia or baby's tears. The vertical cascades of green foliage make the log look as if it has been reclaimed entirely by nature over centuries. It is an excellent space-saving solution that packs an immense amount of detail into a compact porch footprint. A wide, horizontal log slab cut long ways offers an expansive flat surface to design an entire bustling fairy market square. Use small twigs and fabric scraps to build tiny market stalls filled with micro pumpkins, faux flowers, and miniature baskets. Frame the market scene with borders of colorful sweet alyssum and vibrant moss to give the entire setup a polished, cohesive look. This imaginative concept invites viewers to pause and look closely at all the tiny, busy details of fairy life. An old, gnarly tree stump section provides the ultimate canvas for building a grand, sprawling fairy estate on your porch. Hollow out the top and sides to plant an abundance of miniature ivy, petunias, and vibrant marigolds that spill over the edges beautifully. We hope these magical DIY projects inspire you to bring some fairy tale charm to your own outdoor spaces. Please remember to comment your favorite idea, like, share this video, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more whimsical decor inspirations. And we will see you next time.